You're sitting at your desk. The clock ticks past 3 p.m. Your inbox is a war zone of unread emails. One from your boss. Vague, probably bad news. Your phone buzzes, another group chat blowing up. And your mind? It's already sprinting, replaying that awkward moment in the meeting, wondering if you said too much or not enough. It's not just the desk or the emails. It's the weight. The way every small thing sticks. A coworker's side eye. A deadline you're dodging. And suddenly, you're carrying it all. A backpack of thoughts, getting heavier by the second. You want to hit pause. Just for a moment, to breathe, to not react. But the world keeps pushing. Louder. Faster. This is where Stoicism steps in. Not to fix you, not to make the noise stop, but to give you a quiet anchor. A way to stand still. Even when everything else is spinning, Stoicism isn't a big promise. It's not about conquering life. It's about noticing your breath, your choices, the one small thing you can control. Right now, today, we're walking through 10 lessons, 10 anchors from Stoicism, to help you find that stillness, not to change you, but to let you see you're already enough. If you've ever felt your mind racing like this, if you've caught yourself reacting before you could think, leave a small sign below, not for me, not for fame, but so this video finds someone else. Someone who needs a moment to breathe. Just like you. Lesson 1. Know what you can control. You're refreshing your inbox. Again, waiting for a client to reply. It's been hours. Maybe they're annoyed. Maybe you messed up. Your stomach twists. Why? Because you're trying to control their response, their thoughts, their next move. But you can't. That email, it's out of your hands. Their mood, not your job. The truth is, most things aren't up to you. The traffic, the weather, what someone thinks of you. Stoicism says, let that go. Focus on what's yours. Your next step, your breath, the way you reply or don't. Epictetus, a Stoic thinker, put it simply. Some things are in your power. Your thoughts, your actions. The rest, let them be. Like an archer shooting an arrow. You aim, you release, but the wind, the target, not yours to command. Next time you're stuck, waiting for that email, notice the urge to grip tighter, to check again, pause, take one breath, ask, what can I control? Maybe it's closing the tab, or writing one clear sentence, that's enough. It's not about winning. It's about freeing yourself from the weight of things you were never meant to carry. Lesson 2. Let life flow. Your project at work tanks. The numbers are bad. Your boss isn't happy. And you're replaying every step. If I'd presented it differently, if I'd caught that error, your mind's a hamster wheel, spinning. It feels like you can fix it if you just think harder. But you can't undo what's done. The meeting's over. The numbers are set. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor who faced his own storms, wrote, you can't stop the waves, but you can learn to move with them. Life's like a river. It flows, sometimes calm, sometimes wild. Fighting it only exhausts you. Stoicism says, accept what is, not because you're weak, but because you're wise. That project, it happened. The mistake, it's past. Now what? When you catch yourself stuck, ruminating, say this happened, what's next? Shift to one small action. Maybe it's a note for tomorrow, or a walk to clear your head. Letting life flow doesn't mean giving up. It means saving your strength for what you can actually shape. Lesson 3, stay here. Now, you're grabbing lunch, a sandwich, nothing special, but your mind's already at tomorrow's presentation. What if you stumble? What if they don't like it? You barely taste the bread. Why are you there when you're right here? The present, this moment. It's all you have. The past, gone. The future, not here yet. Seneca, another Stoic, said, we suffer more in imagination than in reality. Your mind loves to wander, to old regrets, to what ifs. But it's stealing this moment, this bite, this breath. Stoicism invites you to notice, right now, the weight of your phone in your hand, the hum of the room, the taste of that sandwich. It's not about living your best life. It's about living this life. Next time you're eating, or walking, or waiting, try this. Just be there. Feel your feet on mediator. Touch the ground. Notice one thing, a sound, a smell. That's enough. It's simple, but it's freedom. From the noise in your head. Lesson 4. See challenges as teachers. Your coworker snaps at you over nothing. You're just trying to help, and they bite your head off. Your blood boils. You want to snap back or stew in it for hours. But what if that moment isn't your enemy? What if it's a teacher? Epictetus taught, it's not the event that hurts you, it's how you see it. That co-worker's words, they're just words. Your anger, that's your choice. Stoicism says, challenges shape you. Like a blade sharpened by stone, they show you where you're soft, where you reeked too fast. Next time someone's sharp with you, pause. Feel heat in your chest. Ask, what's this teaching me? Maybe it's patience. Maybe it's letting go. You don't have to win the argument. You just have to stay calm. That's the real victory. Lesson 5. Choose your reaction. Your phone lights up. A group chat going off. Someone's throwing shade. Your fingers itch to type a comeback. Something clever. Something sharp. But do you have to? The world pushes. You don't have to push back. Epictetus said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. That chat? It's not your master. You are. Stoicism hands you a choice. Reaction or silence. Anger or calm. Before you reply, take one breath. Ask, is this worth my peace? Maybe you respond. Maybe you don't. But you choose. Not the heat of the moment. That's freedom. Lesson 6. Want less, need less. You're scrolling Instagram, Twitter. Everyone's life looks perfect. New cars, big trips. Suddenly your apartment feels small. Your job feels stale. Why does more always feel like the answer? More stuff, more likes. But chasing it, it makes you heavy. Seneca wrote, you don't need much to be content. Just enough. A bed, a meal, a moment of quiet. The rest? It's noise. Stoicism says, simplify. Notice what you already have. That mug you drink from every morning. The way the light hits your window. That's enough. Today, try this. Name one thing you're glad for. Something small. A song you like. A chair that holds you. Wanting less. It's how you feel free. Lesson 7. Act with purpose. You're juggling tasks. Emails. Email, Slack, a report due by 5. But half your brain's judging you. You're behind. You're not enough. You're drained. Why is it so heavy? Because you're chasing urgent, not what matters. Stoicism says, do what's right, not what's loud. Wisdom, courage, fairness, balance. Those are your compass. Pick one task today. Something small. Do it fully. No phone, no tabs, just you and the work. That's purpose. It's not about finishing the list. It's about knowing you gave it your best. Lesson 8. Nothing lasts forever. You miss a promotion. It stings. Like the world's ending, you're up at 2 a.m. turning it over, but this moment, it's already slipping. The pain, it'll fade. So will the good stuff. That's life. Marcus Aurelius said, everything's a guest. Joy, grief, success. They visit, then leave. When you're stuck, tell yourself, this won't last. Neither will I. It's not grim. It's freeing. Let the moment pass. Like clouds in the sky. You're still here. That's enough. Lesson 9. Find the good in what is. It's 4 p.m. Your day's a mess. A spilled coffee. A missed call. You're ready to call it quits. But wait. something's okay. Your shoes fit, the air's cool, you're breathing. Seneca said, "Gratitude isn't about having it all. It's about seeing what's here. The small stuff, the quiet stuff. Name one thing. Right now, a pen that writes, a breeze, that's your anchor." Gratitude doesn't fix the day. It makes it lighter. Because you're not empty. You're just looking past the good. Lesson 10. Keep growing. Quietly. You scroll LinkedIn. Everyone's crushing it. New jobs. Big wins. You? You're just you. Not there yet. But growth isn't a race. It's a walk. Small steps. Every day, Epictetus said, "Seek wisdom, not applause. Learn one thing today. A shortcut on your keyboard. A Stoic idea. That's enough. You're not behind. You're moving. And every step, it makes you calmer. Stronger. Don't chase perfect. Chase progress. Quietly. That's the Stoic way. You're back at that desk. The emails are still there. The phone's still buzzing. But now, you notice your breath. Slow. Steady. The noise fades. Just a little. You don't need to fix it all. You don't need to win. You just need this. This moment. This stillness. Tomorrow, when the world gets loud, come back, not to change, but to remember. You can always find this calm, this you.